I'm gonna go ahead and open 30 packs of the Premium Gold. It's basically 2 boxes. So I'm hoping to pull at least one set of Veilers and the Beals. Mirror Force. That's pretty good. Blackwing. I'm just gonna run through them. I don't like long videos. But hopefully you guys can see each one of them. Got Magician. What the heck is that? Fucking gay. Fuck, they should do that with Veilers, one after another. Chimera Tech. Number 32, is it? Yeah. Stardust. Dark Flare Dragon. Des Walter. That's yellow. Yeah, I should at least get one Veiler. There's a Prime Material Dragon. Eclipse Wyvern. Shark Dragon. There's Raw. The Pixie Power Tool Mecha Dragon. MSD, nice. The Torrential. 10 down, 20 to go. No Veiler yet. Crane. There's another Raw Caius. So I just need an Obelisk because I already got 2 Slicers. Nice Forbidden Lance. Another Stardust. There it is, Effectuator. Final fuckingly. What? Okay. I need 2 more of them. Mind Control, nice. Eclipse Wyvern again. Gold. These are most likely all for trade, except for the ones I really need. Lance. Just another Pixie Dragon. Hey, no, that's a different one. Cool. I haven't pulled one deal yet. Thankfully, I traded for them. I pulled actually one of my. Oh, there's an Obelisk. Nice. Now I got 2 playsets of each God card. Torrential, nice. Bling my whole deck out. Solar Recharge, cool. Ooh, another Power Tool Mecha Dragon. Nice and nice. Alright, 10 more packs to go. Cyber Dragon, cool. Rain Crane. Another raw. Another Ryo. What's that? Chalice. Bottomless. Plague Spreader. Solar Recharge. Mizuki. One Veiler, huh? Rhoda. Oh, Dark Condition Girl, there she is. There's a Raikou. There's a Tiger King. Obelisk again, Morphine Jar, Raikou. One more Veiler, come on. Solar Recharge, Slicer, Torrential. Two more packs. Can we get that second Veiler? That's gonna be a bitch if we don't. So we're not. This one better have fucking 5 Veilers in it. Ghost of a Grudge, Jinzo, and that one. I think I got the whole set at least once. Pretty good. Thank you for watching, and just keep by for my updated trade binder. You'll see all the ones for trade that I pulled.